Akua Manubea, founder and chief product officer for A Management Group Consulting. And I'm excited to be here with the inspiration for my Black ambition, my son, and AMG Consulting's technology lead, Keenan, to talk to you about our passion project that we have been working on for the past year, the C2C app.
Yes, thank you, Mom. We're thrilled to finally share with you all this app that we've been pouring our heart and soul into. The C2C app is available for iOS and Android and uses AI technology to help travelers create personalized, all-inclusive itineraries for their trip to Africa.
Our inspiration for this app began on our first trip to Ghana in 2019 during the country's Year of Return tourism campaign. We quickly realized that planning a trip to the Motherland is daunting, especially if you've never been before. There are so many factors to consider, like flights, transportation, accommodations, activities, and so much more. That's why we developed the C2C app to eliminate all the guesswork in planning a trip to Africa.
And the best part is, our app is powered by AI technology, which means that it learns from your search patterns and your preferences, providing you with more and more personalized recommendations as you use the app.
With the support of the Black Ambition Grant, we believe our app will play a crucial role in making Africa more accessible to all travelers, and we're excited to be a part of that movement.
So, if you're planning a trip to Africa, download the C2C app and let us help you plan the trip of a lifetime. Thank you for listening.